Okay, I made this video to show you a fix for a common issue on your GMT-400 series trucks. I believe the same switches in Safari fans, Blazers, Astro vans. A lot of times these hazard buttons will get broke off, and I got one that I'm currently rebuilding for my personal truck. The rebuild of this is in another video. Now, again, it's broke off. Take a regular, just fine point, regular screwdriver, and there's a gap right here between these two pieces of plastic. Take that screwdriver, point it in there, kind of push down in there, and then pry away and up. It'll lift that out of there just a little bit. Being this broke off, you might have to use a pair of pliers. Take it, pull it up out of there. That's all it is. Now, if you're at the salvage and you have one that's still in, like so. This is a good example. This is the new one. Take your screwdriver in there. You see it opens that little gap. Just pry it up and out. So it lifts it up out of there. The new ones are nicer because it's got a handle. Just take it, pull it up out of there. Now once you get your new piece, this is one that I have. These can be corroded. You take a simple pencil eraser, take it, and just start rubbing on those contacts. It'll polish them up. Get those all good and clean. Then take it, put you some grease on it. It's just a simple grease. Just a small layer is all you need. Then you take that switch. Sometimes these will kind of protrude out a little bit, so you might have to push them back in there. But it should just drop right back in to that same hole. Just push it down. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm not so sure you couldn't do this in the vehicle. But hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.